Hi, today I'm for Cat S75 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere application on this device. So we should first get the Ampere app from Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click to yes agree, pick close and tap to OK on the left down corner. So after that, you'll see here information about your battery health, and in my case the battery is in a good condition, and also got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, model and more other info about our phone. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.